Everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is continuously downside. What we have seen after at this particular level, which is around the level of 129.82. Okay, what we have seen at this particular level, Russian war has started. That is where we have seen the price was coming down. Okay, as soon as the price started going towards a level of around 54, it has bounced back around 3 times. So remember that as soon as the price started coming down again towards $59.11, there is a higher chances that it can go further low, because this level is already weak. Okay, so if it started falling below this level, chances of touching 54.2 is very high. And yes, after that there is a higher chances that the price can move towards 54.35 and then a further fall. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, suppose if the price goes above this level, there is a higher chances that it can move further upside, because see, there is a zone is happening and the price has already moved above this particular level. Okay, this level we have seen in November of 25. So probability is high that it can touch a level of around $62.13, and this is already weak level. So probability of going further upside can be seen. And yes, after that it can move towards 64.3 to a level of 65.9. After 64.3 we can see a level of 65.9, and then a further high can be seen towards a level of around $66 to a level of $67.7. Okay, then it can move towards 70.3. Remember that there is a trend moving in this level. So as soon as this trend first break at a level of around $59, and then the price is going upside, a swing is formed at this level. So chances are very high, till the time the price is not going below a level of $59.9, we will not see the price can go down. Okay, it can go further upside, and the probability of going towards 66.2 can be seen to a level of 69.3 to a level of 70.93. Then there is a higher chance of going further high, so probability of 72.5 can also be seen. Okay, see, if you have seen, we have seen the price has not made a very vast movement in the week's chart. Okay, but in this particular week only we have seen the price has got upside. Okay, so if it started keep going towards 2.13, we can see there can be higher chances that it can cross towards a level of around 66. Okay, trail your SL, that is very important, by around 0.35 or 0.5 depending on the volatility, because see, we have not seen volatility from 3-4 weeks, so probability is very high. If it started going higher, we can see a level of 66.4 to a level of $68, and if it start going upside, we can see it can cross a level of 70. But if the price keep moving below this level, it can come down towards $60.31. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, it can move towards 58.72, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going towards 56.9 is there. Once the price fall below this level, a probability of going towards 55.68 can be seen, and from there it can move towards a level of $55.